Hello my lovely red group. So yesterday you will have had a go at writing as a fraction what was on the bar that was shown. So you were looking at tenths, okay? And I know you'd have been absolutely fantastic at that, and we've practiced it in school a lot, so I'll let you have a go at that on your own, okay? So today you are looking at we're writing decimal numbers. So we're continuing with what we did at school, okay? But I'm just going to refresh your memory because decimals can be a little bit tricky, okay? So you are very good and you know your place value of your whole numbers. We know that we have ones, we have tens, we have hundreds, we have thousands, we have tens of thousands, okay? Well, when it goes this way, when it's after our decimal point, we know that they change, don't they? We have the first column that we have is tenths. Okay, the fraction you were looking at yesterday, tenths. And I would need 10 of these tenths to make a whole one. After our tenths, we have our hundredths. So not our hundreds, our hundredths. Now, we were fantastic at using these before we broke up. And remember, we went to show Miss Healy and we went to show Mr. Taught our fantastic work, and we got stickers for it and everything. So hopefully this is jogging your memory. So if I had the fraction 2 tenths, that would look, I would need to use my tenths column and I would put my 2 here, and remember that really important decimal point, and I would put one placeholder here to show that I have no whole numbers, because if I just leave it like this, it looks like I've got 2 and I haven't got 2. 2 would go in this column. I've got 2 tenths, so it has to go in my tenths column. If I had 2 hundredths, then it would go in my hundredths column. So I put my 2 over here. My really important decimal point, always staying in the same place between my ones and my tenths. And I would put my placeholder in, because you can't just leave a big empty space. And again, my 0 here to show that I don't have any whole numbers and it's a decimal number, it's part of a whole number. Okay, so that should have refreshed your memory about how we write our tenths and our hundredths. Okay, you were very good at that, I know. And your activity today, you've given some counters and you have to just simply write how many of each one we have. So here are my ones, and remember these are my tenths. So here I've got 3 ones and I've got 1, 2 tenths. So my number, if you like, would be 3.2. Okay? That's all you really need for day 2 activities. So have a go, good luck, remember that you're geniuses, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3.